What's up, everybody? I'm back with another Tool Deals video, and today our video is sponsored by Slickdeals. I'm holding my microphone like I'm a rock star, so that was excellent to say. And if you don't know anything about Slickdeals, they are a very large community, and it is a website I use often. So if we go to slickdeals.net right now, we'll see first up, as soon as we get there, we see some tool deals. Now, you can find deals on all types of things, especially for the holidays. This is really where you want to be. But we see 3 tool deals off the break. But I'm going to go look at this Bosch system right here because $129 for all the 2 batteries. We got to go check that out. You'll also find things like this. You guys know in the video yesterday, I mentioned a 2-pack mesh system from TP-Link over at Walmart for $58. So I grabbed one myself, but we see this one here for sale for $245, which is significantly more than the one that I bought yesterday, but it's saying it's marked down from $800, and it's a front page deal. And when you see this little fire symbol right here, that means the deal is hot. And what I like to do when I see stuff like this is go read, and you'll get lots and lots of feedback. This is probably one of the most useful things about the site, the feedback from the community and figuring out whether a deal is really a good deal or not, and you get to hear other people's experiences with the items, and that right there is just something money really can't buy. Unbiased experiences from other people, and I'm going to take some time to read through this to see if my $58 deal was really a good deal, because maybe, just maybe, I might need something like this. Marked down from $800, come on. Now, in addition to the website, let's go on over to Lowe's here. They also have a Slickdeals extension. We see right up here at the top here. We click this, and it'll immediately show us some popular deals at the store. So we see this Metabo HPT impact driver drill combo kit with 2 batteries for $129. We talked about that in the past, but again, if you didn't know, you download this extension, and you will easily find other deals. We have this 30-piece Skill Carbide router bit set. We have an Ego blower for $149, marked down from $218. This Werner ladder half off. So quite a few things there. We also have this Craftsman sawhorse, also half off. And then we also have this Cobalt buy one, get one starter kit right here. So, and if you're not savvy with the computers and you prefer to be on your cell phone, you can also download the Slickdeals app to your phone. So head on over to this landing page that they built for me and add this extra tool to your digital toolbox to find you some good deals. Thank you, Slickdeals, and let's get on with the rest of the video. So mostly today we're going to be talking about some in-store stuff at Lowe's. So yesterday I went to Lowe's to go pick up the Metabo HPT speaker with the free starter kit. I did end up getting that, and it was not an easy experience at all. I can't, Lowe's. But while I was there, I decided to look on the clearance wall and found quite a few little deals here. So let's check them out. We have this Craftsman impact driver, 1,500 inch-pounds. I don't think this has any modes. It seems to just be variable trigger, so you got to be careful with that. $39.50 there. We have this drill driver, 1,900 RPM with 350 max unit watts out. I think that's decent for that Stanley Craftsman DeWalt line, and that is also $64.50. We have this hammer drill, this Craftsman hammer drill with 340 unit watts out, and this is $49.50. None of these, I checked online, none of these are live online. You go to the website, it's not going to show you these prices. Now, it does show you this price for the hammer drill, but you can't buy it. You have to go in store. So these are all in store. You have this plug-in and power up wall adapter for $14.97. You also had this power auto feed auger, so this drain snake. We talked about the drain snakes earlier in the day. This was when Lowe's was still good, and they had a DeWalt whole kit for $99, marked down from like $4.99. It was insane, and they honored it. So, that was that. But this is $39.87. The power feed is a really good function to have. That DeWalt, for all its money and glory, doesn't even have that. So there you go there. Then we also have a kit here. We have this drill driver kit. Comes with 2 2-amp-hour batteries and a charger and a bag 400 unit watts out, so you can even look at it and see it's a lot better than that first one we talked about. $143 for that kit. That's not a whole lot to write home about, but it is a little discount. I personally don't think it's all that great. Same with all these little deals right here. You have this Metabo impact wrench. This is the compact version for $119. Kind of a hard pill to swallow considering we were all cleaning up in September and getting this stuff for like less than $50. So that's kind of hard to swallow right there. And these other ones again are $161.07, marked down from just a meager $179. Moving on. Now, this is a little more interesting because, all right, so we are in a bit of a pickle here because this was misplaced, but it has this half-inch mid-torque back there for on clearance, 500 foot-pounds fastening, 650 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque, which is pretty good for that size. I mean, it's average. But I thought the whole kit was $99, which is insane with the 4 amp hour battery and the rapid charger and the tool. But that's not the case. This is for a drill driver, and I have no idea. I didn't rotate the box to see how much that costs. So we're going to have to do a little I'm going to have to do a little deep dive once I finish recording this, and you could just see it in the description what that clearance price is. But moving away from that, now let's go back to the website itself. Now on the website, that thing is $229. Hopefully, if it was $99, I'm going back out there tomorrow to pick that bad boy up. $99, goodness. All right, so just like everybody else, Cobalt has their own $99 kits with their drill drivers and the battery and the charger and the bag or whatever. But the thing about Cobalt, you know, they've been having something to prove, and this is a pretty darn good drill when you compare it to the Milwaukee's, the DeWalt deals, and the Metabo HPT. This one is a lot more powerful at 850 inch-pounds of torque. That is nothing to sneeze at. Moving on over to this Cobalt impact driver. This one advertises 2,000 inch-pounds, which again is higher than any of the other ones. Me personally, I'll probably still go with the Metabo HPT triple hammer though, 18 volt with the lifetime warranty. I would rather do that. I think that that's going to go the distance further than this Cobalt. However, I will say, I will link to this video right here, and you can check out Shop Tool Review's video on this bad boy. He loosened 350 foot-pounds of torque with this little thing, and that's saying a whole lot. That's punching way above its weight. The Torque Test channel didn't review this particular model. The one they reviewed was like advertised like 2,400 inch-pounds. So different one entirely. $99 for that kit. Not a bad deal right there. And these, of course, are all online. You can buy these online, and there will be links to them in the description below. Moving on, we have over here at Ohio Power Tool. I just want to show you guys who might have felt like, man, yeah, I should have got that little kit when he showed that. It was $100-something. It's back down to $69.99. It's not $59.99, but still at $69.99. This is a really good kit, and I would not hesitate to buy this or recommend it as I do so often because it is just that good. I want you guys to experience at a low cost a Metabo tool, a German-made Metabo tool. Now, it's made in China, but German engineered and all that. Experience these Metabo tools. Not Metabo HPT. Metabo HPT is good, but they are not as good as Metabo, okay? Go and experience this for $70. You won't regret it. Moving on. So, yesterday, I was able to order a few days ago the Metabo HPT speaker that we talked about with the buy one, get one. I did it through the app. The app let me do it, but when I got there to pick it up several days later, all it was just a speaker. They didn't give me the batteries and stuff. And they were like, oh, yeah, it's being shipped to the store. I'm like, why is it doing that? It didn't tell me that in my order. Long story short, they were very hesitant to do it, but they ended up doing it, giving it to me in the store anyway. I wasn't able to take advantage of my cash back because they made me cancel the order, gave me a gift card. I had to rebuy it in store. But whatever, I got the thing. And look at this. Just look at this. I brought this up to talk about it, and I typed in Metabo HPT radio. I mean, I think a baby runs Lowe's. It got to be. Look what the results. Drills. Do these look like Metabo HPT radios? I said, well, maybe it's sold out. And then you keep scrolling, and then it says, their customers who searched Metabo, their HPT radio ultimately bought the Metabo HPT radio. Why would this not pop up? Oh my gosh. Anyway, coming on over to this, I just wanted to talk about it. So I wanted to give you guys a little preview. I have it right here. Of how it sounds. It sounds pretty good. It sounds really good for its size. They had like the flex in there. The flex is big. I'm picking this up with one hand. You can carry it with one hand. It's very rugged. It looks like mine was returned, honestly. It has a scratch on it. So there's that thing. And I was trying to look for the warranty card and I couldn't find it because if you look on the listing, it says that it has a 1-year warranty, which I said in the previous video. But here on the box, it's a lifetime warranty. Hey! Lifetime warranty on this bad boy. So let's go ahead and take a little gander, a little listen to how this thing sounds. And it's not right beside me. It's about 3 feet away. I mean, it's kind of right beside me. It's like 3 feet away. All right, so that's that. I'm just trying to give you guys a little range. I mean, this is not a full-on review, but it sounds good. It has an equalizer, it's a backlight, and all of that. You can turn up the bass. I turned it up to 2. You know, you want to break in the speaker. But yeah, I mean, it's not bad for a kit with $99, and you get that free the free new 2 amp-hour batteries and the charger and all that. You really can't beat this. So I just wanted to reiterate that as well. And with that said, it's a short video today. I'm going to go ahead and stop it there. We have some more deals that I'm going to talk to you guys about tomorrow. Stay tuned. Thanks for all your support, and I will see you guys next time.